Gentlemen, let me begin with a simple but powerful question. Are you waking up more exhausted than when you went to bed? Do you notice your drive is fading, your energy feels distant, and your erections aren't what they used to be? If you've brushed this off as just getting older, I urge you, don't dismiss the signs. This isn't just a normal part of aging. What you're experiencing may be your body's way of urgently signaling that something essential is missing. The good news? The solution doesn't lie in expensive medications, invasive procedures, or giving up your masculinity. Sometimes all it takes is restoring a single crucial nutrient, at the right dose, at the right time. Before we dive in deeply, I encourage you to stay connected. You're not alone in this journey. Subscribe, leave a comment telling me from where you're watching, and join thousands of men worldwide reclaiming their strength, focus, and vitality. Now let's take a closer look at what's happening inside your body overnight. Too many men over the age of 60 tell me, "Doctor, I suppose this is just the way it goes." I stop them right there. No, it isn't. Aging does not have to equal decline. Persistent fatigue, reduced libido, interrupted sleep, and diminished erections aren't just the result of growing older. They are the consequence of your body's internal restoration system gradually breaking down. And this system is supposed to be most active while you sleep. Sleep, especially deep sleep, is when some of your body's most transformative processes occur. Your testosterone production surges. Vascular tissues, including those vital to your erectile health, regenerate. Your prostate undergoes a natural anti-inflammatory cycle. And at the cellular level, your mitochondria, the powerhouse within every cell, recharge energy stores that keep you focused, motivated, and physically strong the following day. When that overnight recovery system begins to falter, whether due to nutrient deficiencies, lifestyle factors, or poor sleep hygiene, you'll first notice it in your energy, virility, and emotional well-being. But here's the hopeful part. This is not permanent. Often the restoration process starts with replenishing one key nutrient nearly every man over 60 is lacking. Let's talk science. A growing body of modern clinical research highlights magnesium as one of the most critical minerals for men's health, yet it's also one of the most widely deficient. In fact, studies show that approximately 70% of men over 60 are not meeting their daily needs, even with a balanced diet. Why is magnesium so essential? Biochemically, magnesium modulates over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body. But its most powerful effect lies in its ability to quiet the nervous system, regulate sleep cycles, and restore testosterone levels. It acts quite literally as your body's neurological brake pedal, signaling to your brain that it's time to shift from high-alert stress mode to a parasympathetic state of rest and recovery. Without adequate magnesium, your nervous system remains locked in a low-grade fight or flight state. The result? You may fall asleep but never enter deep regenerative sleep. You wake up foggy, heavy, and emotionally flat. Chronic magnesium deficiency also contributes to disrupted hormone production, vascular issues, muscle cramps, nighttime urination, and weakened erections, all of which impact not only your physical health, but your confidence and intimacy as well. So, if restful mornings, strong erections, and sustained energy are becoming rare, magnesium might be quietly slipping away from your physiology unnoticed. Let's break down 3 of the biggest mistakes I see men make when trying to fix this problem. First, choosing the wrong type. Walk into any supplement aisle and you'll likely find magnesium oxide, cheap, ineffective, and poorly absorbed. Studies show this form barely passes through the intestinal wall and often causes digestive upset. In short, it's a waste of your time and money. The 2 forms that truly matter for men's health are magnesium glycinate, which directly impacts the parasympathetic nervous system. It helps soften tight muscles, calm the brain, dilate blood vessels, and promote onset of deep sleep. It's particularly beneficial for improving blood flow to the genital area, enhancing morning erection strength. Magnesium L-threonate, or magnesium threonate, a more advanced form, has the ability to cross the blood-brain barrier. It supports cognitive clarity, reduces nighttime anxiety, and rebalances neurochemicals associated with mood and memory. If your goal is improved brain function, deeper sleep, and total body recovery, this is the form worth considering. Second, taking it at the wrong time. Magnesium is not meant for daytime energy. Its calming nature is best utilized when taken 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This helps your body shift effortlessly from a state of alertness into renewal, especially when paired with habits that enhance circadian alignment, dimming lights, turning off screens, and perhaps adding herbal teas such as chamomile or lemon balm. Third, expecting instant results. Magnesium is not a stimulant. It won't jolt you into feeling different overnight. Instead, it performs a gradual recalibration of your system, layer by layer, night after night. Most men begin noticing better sleep and relaxation within the first 3 to 5 nights. Within a week, improvements in mood, cognition, and morning sexual function often follow. But the true transformation, deep, revitalizing sleep, restored libido, and consistent energy, requires daily consistency for at least 2 to 3 weeks. So how do we bring this into lasting habit? Start low. 200 milligrams of magnesium glycinate or 1,000 milligrams of magnesium threonate about 1 hour before bed. Stack this intelligently. Pair your magnesium with zinc and vitamin B6, a combination known as ZMA. Clinical studies suggest that this trio improves testosterone balance, enhances protein synthesis, and optimizes sleep recovery in active and aging men. Create a sleep ritual. Turn screens off early, take magnesium with warm water or calming herbal tea. Incorporate light stretching, just 5 minutes. This relaxes the musculature and allows the magnesium to be absorbed deeper into tissues. Make sleep a non-negotiable part of your masculinity, not a leftover afterthought. Now, some of you might be sitting there thinking, "Doctor, I've already lost my edge. Maybe it's too late to feel strong and motivated again." Let me be very clear. It is not too late. I've worked with men in their 70s and even 80s who believed their best days were far behind them, only to rediscover intimacy, confidence, and physical vitality after making just a few targeted, science-supported changes. This is not about chasing your 20s again. This is about reclaiming your right to feel alive, respected, and powerful every day. So tonight, take one simple step. Prioritize recovery. Rebuild your foundation. Nourish your body with what it's lacking. Because when your sleep improves, everything follows. Energy, erections, clarity, motivation, and emotional connection. You are not broken, you are simply depleted. And deficiency is something we can fix with knowledge, with action, and with consistency. If this message resonates with you, support this mission. Like the video so others can find it. Subscribe for deeper insights tailored to real men dealing with real health changes. And most importantly, take your first step. Not someday, but tonight. You deserve full nights, energized mornings, and a life that feels strong, intimate, and worth waking up for. I'm Dr. Samra Turajilich, and I'm here to remind you, your body still listens. So give it the right message. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.